So in this video we will continue the remaining part of stem cells which we didn't discuss in the earlier videos. There are just 2 to 3 slides that we will see now in this video. So we were discussing about donating or harvesting stem cells. So the donations of stem cells can come from the following sources, that is bone marrow, peripheral stem cells and umbilical cord blood. Bone marrow stem cells are taken under a general anesthetic, usually from the hip or pelvic bone. The harvesting procedure for peripheral stem cells involves a person receives several injections that cause their bone marrow to release stem cells into the blood. Next, blood is removed from the body. A machine separates out the stem cells and doctors return the blood to the body. Next is umbilical cord blood. Stem cells can be harvested from the umbilical cord after delivery with no harm to the baby. Some people donate the cord blood or others store it. This harvesting of stem cells can be expensive, but the advantages for future needs include the stem cells are easily accessible and less chance of transplanted tissue being rejected if it comes from the recipient's own body. Now stem cells in medicine. The only stem cell now used to treat disease are hematopoietic stem cells. These are blood cell forming adult stem cells found in bone marrow. Every type of blood cell in the bone marrow starts as stem cells. Stem cells are immature cells that are able to make other blood cells that mature and function as needed. These cells are used in procedures such as bone marrow transplants, which help people with cancer make new blood cells after their own hematopoietic stem cells have been killed by radiation therapy and chemotherapy. They may also be used to treat people with conditions such as Fanconi anemia. This is blood disorder that causes the body's bone marrow to fail. Other treatments could target illness such as type 1 diabetes, spinal cord injuries, Alzheimer's disease, and rheumatoid arthritis. So, what are the challenges in stem cell research? Scientists must first learn more about how embryonic stem cells develop. Embryonic stem cells available today are likely to be rejected by the body. Some people find it more morally troubling to use stem cells that come from embryos. These cells are hard to grow in a lab, so researchers are looking into ways to improve the process. These cells are also found in small amounts in the body, and there is greater chance that they could contain DNA problems. Thank you.